Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be guiding you on how to create an account on Reflect. So let us get started. First, open your web browser and type reflect.app into the address bar. Once the website loads, click on Sign In to begin the account creation process. You will be presented with different options to sign in. You can choose to sign in with your Google or Apple account, or you can manually type in your email and create a password to register. If you prefer the convenience of using your Google account, simply click on Sign In with Google and follow the prompts to log in using your Google credentials. Wait for the process to complete, and you will now have an account on Reflect. With your new Reflect account, you can start using the platform to enhance your productivity and creativity. That's it. I hope this tutorial helps you create your Reflect account quickly and easily. See you in the next video.